Hey Glam Fam, so today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video and it is showing you guys the most recent palette that Deck of Scarlet has came out with. You guys know I've worked with them before and I really love their palette and I'm so excited. So the collab this time is with Kim Tai and I am so excited for this because the palette looks so good. So this is what the inside looks like. It's really nice packaging. I really like the way that they package their products. This is the palette. It says Dream on it on the sleeve and on the palette. It's super cute. I feel like, guys, if this performs well, I feel like this is going to be a traveling palette for me. So this is what the palette looks like, and you open it up. Those are the colors. There's like a really nice nude transition color, a really pretty pinkish red but dark color, and then this really pretty goldish rose gold, almost coral shimmer shade, and then this really pretty pink blush, and then this golden highlight. And then if you move over here, you have this. This is the lip colors, so a nude and a really pretty cranberry color. But that's not it. You also get a lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. I am so excited for this, guys. It smells so good, like frosting. And although they are sponsoring this video, you guys already know that I'm gonna give you my true opinion. I'm working with Deck of Scarlet and they have decided to give you guys 30% off on your first purchase, which is awesome. Plus it's free shipping and you can cancel anytime. You can also skip palettes if you're not into them, which I really find amazing because sometimes, you know, I'm just not feeling it and I know that I have to get it, if that makes sense, with other subscriptions. Deck of Scarlet is a monthly subscription and you get a new palette with a new collaboration of a YouTuber every 2 months, which is really cool and really exciting. One day I will make a palette with them. Fingers crossed. I really like Deck of Scarlet's formula. This is what the products look like. So the subscription service is only $29.95 every other month, which I find very affordable considering one product from Sephora can be that much. And you get 3 eyeshadows, 2 lip colors, 2 face products, and lip gloss for that, or lip liner. It's not, this is actually the first lip gloss that they're putting out. But since I have a special link for you guys, you will get 30% off of your first purchase, and that comes down to $21. Also, if you are a new subscriber to Deck of Scarlet, you can pick your first palette, just in case you don't like the one that is out right now. Deck of Scarlet is cruelty-free and vegan for all of my vegan, cruelty-free friends out there. That's so awesome that they are. You can also get any of the previous palettes, which is awesome. And shipping is to Canada, USA, and the UK. Alright, so let's jump into this tutorial. I'm super excited. The first color we are gonna go in with to our eyes is this color right here. This is called Myth. And we're going to use this as our transition color. I also love how easy it is to blend these shadows out. How are you guys liking my blue hair? It's a wig. I love it though. If you didn't gather that it's a wig, it's a wig. Because everyone knows I love me some wigs. We are also going to run that along the bottom of our lash line. Once we're done, what we're going to do is we are going to go in and start to blend Crown, this really pretty cranberry color right here, above where our cut crease is going to sit. And right now, all we're really doing is marking out where our cut crease is going to start to blend out to that cranberry color. Just as a guideline for us. So now we can go in with that fluffier brush and we're gonna blend in more of the crown, but we are gonna blend it in a smaller space than if we were just putting it into our crease. For the first time I go in, I'm going to use a flat shader brush, and this is gonna help build up the pigment. So now I'm gonna go in with this pointed crease brush, and we are going to blend some of that color out by just pressing and moving the brush back and forth. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep packing that cranberry color until we really get it darker right where our crease starts. We go back in with that nude color and just scatter the line up here. Once that is done, I'm going to carve out my crease with some concealer. I'm going to go in with Enchanted. And at first, I'm gonna start with my finger and then I'm gonna go in with a brush and just get that on the cut crease. Alright, so then I'm just gonna go back in the cranberry color and we're just going to focus this on the edge of the crease again, just to bring up the contrast. For finishing touches, I'm just going to run the cranberry color underneath the 1/3 of the outer of my eye. I'm gonna do my liner and then lashes on, and we're gonna move on to the face. So first, I'm going to take the blush, that is Tiara. We are going to put that onto the apples of our cheeks. All right, moving on to highlight. That is called Fairy Dust, this one right here. And I'm going to just dip into that. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that is pretty. And I am gonna go in with just the nude lip, this one right here. And we are gonna put that on our lips. And then last but not least, the lip gloss. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. It's Beautybyjosiek on Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're all spelt just like it is here. And I chat with y'all over on those other platforms more than here. And I hope you go follow me. And that is it. This tutorial. I hope you guys like this, and don't forget to check out Deca Scarlet in the description below. Love you guys. Bye.